Nutritious food. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the requirements of a healthy diet and the nutrients that consist a balanced diet. Air, water, food, clothes, and shelter are our basic needs. We cannot live without these things. Air helps us to breathe. Without air, we will die in a few minutes. Water is also important for us. It is necessary for the digestion of food and removal of waste products. It also regulates our body temperature. Clothes save us from heat, cold, and insect bites. A house also keeps us safe from the heat, cold, rain, animals, and thieves. The requirements of a healthy diet. Without food, we cannot live for long. Eating is one of the most important events in our life. The food we eat is the sole source of our energy and nutrition. We eat our food when food is tasty or when we are hungry. But we do not know about how the food we eat affects our health. When we eat too much oily food, we put in weight and have health problems. So we should always eat healthy food. Eating healthy food contains nutrients that we need to be healthy. Nutrients give us energy to grow and do our day-to-day activities. It makes our bones and muscles strong and protects us from diseases. Our body requires food to provide energy for all life processes and for the growth and repair and maintenance of cells and tissues. Our need varies according to age, sex, and work. A balanced diet contains different types of food in correct quantities. A balanced diet must contain carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. It must contain these things in the correct proportion. Did you know a balanced diet helps us to fight diseases? Each day you need a certain amount of the following food groups: bread, fruits, vegetables, proteins, dairy products, and fat. Nutrients in a balanced diet. Eating a well-balanced diet regularly maintains our health. A balanced diet contains nutrients. Let us know more about nutrients now. Vitamins. We need vitamins in a small amount to help the normal functioning of our body. Although vitamins do not provide energy directly, they are necessary to maintain our health. There are many types of vitamins. Vitamin A aids to maintain our tissues and it is essential for good eyesight. Vitamin D promotes the absorption of calcium to keep our teeth and bones strong. Vitamin K is necessary for blood clotting and vitamin C acts as an antioxidant. Vitamin B helps our body to make protein and energy. Did you know food items like fruit, vegetables, meat, and dairy products go bad very fast? We call them perishable food items. Cereals and wheat do not go bad fast and we call them non-perishable foods. Fresh fruits and vegetables are a rich source of vitamins. Vitamins come in two forms. Some are fat soluble and some are water soluble. Fat soluble vitamins, that is A, D, E, and K, are stored in the fats. Water soluble vitamins B and C are sent out by the body. Leafy vegetables, citrus fruits, milk, nuts, and sunlight are the main sources of vitamins. Proteins. Proteins are essential for growth and they maintain our body tissues. They help us make new body cells. We need them to produce hormones, antibodies, and enzymes. They also help us to maintain proper acid-alkali balance in our body. Protein is a body-building nutrient. Proteins are found in all foods like beans, pulses, meat, dairy products, fish, egg, nuts, and seeds. Minerals. We need minerals in a very small quantity. Too much of any mineral may harm our body. They keep our bones and teeth strong and body healthy. Calcium, iron, phosphorus, and potassium are important minerals our body needs. Different minerals are present in different foods. Milk and milk products, fish, green leafy vegetables, soya beans, and nuts have different kinds of minerals. Fats. Fats are also necessary for our health. They give us energy at the time of emergency and keep the body warm. Excess fat is also not good for our body. Fats contain building blocks called fatty acids. Butter, oil, ghee, cheese, whole milk, and fat on meat are rich sources of fat. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for our body. Our body may use carbohydrates immediately or store for later use. Carbohydrates contain sugar and starch. Wheat, potatoes, grains, candy, bread are the sources of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates break down into glucose in our body. Our muscles and the brain use glucose as a fuel. If our body does not need glucose, it is stored in our body. Water and roughage. Water is the most important component of the 6 basic nutrients. Water makes up to 50 to 75% of our body weight. We need at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep the body healthy. Water goes out of our body as urine and sweat. We need water to produce digestive enzymes. If enough water is not present in our body, our organs cannot function properly. Loss of water in the body is called dehydration. Roughage is the fiber present in vegetables, fruits, and the outer cover of cereals. It helps our body to send out waste matter produced after digestion. It helps us to clean our bowel. Whole wheat bread, pulses, apples, and peels contain good amount of roughage. Let's do a quick summary. The food we eat is the sole source of our energy and nutrition. Nutrients give us energy to grow and do our day-to-day activities. A balanced diet contains carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Proteins are essential for growth and to maintain our body tissues. Fats are also necessary for our health. Roughage helps us to send out the waste matter produced after digestion. Glossary. Nutrients are essential substances present in the food. Roughage is the fiber content in food. A balanced diet is a diet that contains all the nutrients in the right proportions. Minerals are a solid, naturally occurring inorganic substances. Here's a mind map for you. Requirements of a healthy food include nutrients in a balanced diet. These are carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, minerals, and fats.